Yo, hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this combo hair clipper and a trimmer from the brand Limural. Here we got two model number, LM7250 and LM7256. It is for a home use, okay? So one of them got 8 watts. Okay, both of them got 8 watts. Then the clipper got 2500 milliamp battery and the trimmer got 800 milliamp battery. So nothing else really rating. Okay, so the manual, comb, a cape, and we got some guards. We got 4 guide combs for the trimmer, and we got just only 2 guide combs for the clipper. So this is something really different. It's for home use. It's not for barber. And we got the charging cable, oil, and brush. I don't see any brush here. Okay. And I was making an RPM test before. This trimmer got 5000 RPM. It's really less. As you can hear, it's really slow. The charging port, and again, these are for home use. And the clipper. This is the clipper. Charging port. Both of them are using the same charging cable. So and the RPM is around 6500. This one. I was checking it before. Got really power. Can feel it. So this is the shaft. Very simple.